The emergency alert system has issued a civil defense warning. A creature has been spotted. Stay away from the creature as it's not harmful at this time. Lock your door and windows. Stay attuned to this station for this dangerous situation. This is an evacuation warning. The creature is harmful at this time. Move to a safe area. The creature has been spotted. The goes a furry. Do not go near it. If you go near it, you will put your life at extreme risk. Give a click now. The creature that was spotted ago was a furry, and the attacks of this creature are well known itself when it scratch a person, and the creature is not meant none would hit. Next, lock all of your doors and windows and close your blinds. We are sending police to find out this problem, and this time stay attuned to this dangerous situation.
This is WGN9 News. Here we are here where the attack begins. A furry has been spotted in Chicago and it's taking up the city, and now this is dangerous spot I'm in, and we the emergency alert system going off. This is WGN9 signing off.
This is the emergency alert system has issued a civil defense warning. The furry that has been spotted ago was cloned too many times and killing people. The military is trying to take the furries down. If guns don't work, we will have to launch a missile to location where the furries are. Stay tuned to this station to this dangerous situation.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by, and now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make
This is a civil defense warning. The furry that was spotted ago keep cloning and scratching people, and the military is trying to do their best to take the furries down. All people should lock their doors and windows. A furry invasion has been started in Chicago. Stay indoors and lock your doors. Stay attuned to this dangerous situation. This is take cover warning. In 4 minutes a few missiles have been launched to the furry area. Take fallout shelter. Fallout is bunker for nuclear explosions attacks. Do not go outside until the all clear is given. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The furries. The military have taken down the furries. You can make it out of your shelters. We may return to normal programming. The emergency alert system signing off.
I'm picking up a single. Hold on, oh my God, it's the furries. They aren't dead. What do we do? It's a disaster. Wait, there's more and more. What do we do, Captain? There's too many of them. It could end our lives.
This is the emergency alert system. The president will be speaking in all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Hello my fellow Americans, as you all know, there's been a creature that's called a furry, and it's talking all over the world, and military found out the furries were alive in the missile attack and now heading for all persons on Earth. I'll give out the rules. Gather your pets, family and friends for the final moments of our lives, and there is no way to stop this mess. Our world is coming to a complete end. Goodbye and God bless America.